What are you asking her, Preston? Are you okay? Elise, are you okay? Aw, you're such a good brother. Yeah, she's okay. She's okay. Good job, Preston. Good job. What a good brother. What a good brother. Now if you could help her up. Alright, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Molly, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, the shoe. Okay. Bye.
Bye.